Hello, everyone. Welcome to cRIsp. We're here to explore the fascinating world of cloud technology, particularly through the lens of government projects like Nimbus and Sirius. These initiatives have garnered significant attention, not just for their innovative capabilities, but also for the endorsement they've received from government entities, showcasing the art of the possible in cloud computing. However, it's important to acknowledge the controversy surrounding these government tenders. There are concerns that the big tech lobby may be facilitating government access to sensitive data, potentially weaponizing these cloud services against innocent civilians. Today, we'll delve into both the positive aspects and the ethical implications of these projects. On our panel today, we have Vishnu Rao, a serial entrepreneur and CEO of Dumore Apps, and Rahul Srivastav, a registered trainer and trusted advisor for public and private enterprises. Along with them, we're going to navigate the complexities of this compliance and security. Let's dive in.
Thanks, Alan. Sure, we will do.
Hey, interesting topic today. Hi, all. Glad to be here for this one. Right. So it's exciting to see how projects like Nimbus and Sirius are shaping the future of cloud technology, especially in the terms of compliance and privacy. And yet, barely anyone has heard about them outside of the people in the know. These projects are not just about security, they're about building trust in the cloud. What do you think, Rahul?
Oh, yes, absolutely, Vishnu. Project Sirius, with its focus on advanced analytics and machine learning, is a fantastic step forward. It enhances threat detection capabilities while ensuring that user data remains private. That I loved it most. The potential for real-time insight without compromising privacy is a game changer for businesses as well as the industry.
Exactly. The privacy aspects of these projects are commendable. They provide a framework that not only secures data, but also respects individual rights. However, I think we must be vigilant about the potential for weaponization of these technologies. It's essential to ensure that these very powerful tools are used ethically.
That's a critical point, Alan. While the capabilities of projects like Sirius can enhance security, we must certainly be cautious about how they are implemented. I mean, if you're worried about privacy in the age of AI, forget about privacy today. That's nothing, right? It's only the tip of the iceberg once we get to know the perils of combining AI with 5G and 6G networks. The potential for misuse or overreach by government and private entities that may potentially be given access exists, right? We can't deny that. And we need to advocate for sound policies, laws, and generally responsible use of these technologies to prevent any negative consequences.
Yeah, absolutely, Vishnu. The government has a responsibility to ensure that these projects are not only effective but also transparent. By fostering an environment of accountability, we can mitigate the risk associated with the weaponization of data. It's about striking a balance between security and civil liberties. And I must say that any government that is using this technology and project numbers and serious, any country should take care of this seriously and should be very careful of using this technology in civil liberty.
I think that you're absolutely right, Rahul. I think that's where the collaboration comes into play. Projects like Nimbus and Sirius, they encourage partnerships between the government, the private sector, and the civil society in general. This collaborative approach can help, create robust safeguards that protect, both privacy and also enhance security along with that.
I'll add that the integration of diverse perspectives can lead to innovative solutions that prioritize privacy. So it's essential for developers like myself to engage in these discussions and advocate for ethical practices in the cloud.
Indeed, Vishnu. Alan, being an IT professional, cybersecurity expert, and have a say in government lobby, I believe we must push for regulations that not only protect consumers but also increase innovation. We need to ensure that the framework established by Nimbus and Sirius are designed with privacy at their core, preventing any potential misuse by anyone, any country, and any security agencies.
Yeah, definitely. And let's not forget about the importance of public awareness, educating citizens the, like you and me, about their rights and the measures in place to protect their data is vital. And projects like Nimbus can serve as a model for transparency, showing how government initiatives can prioritize privacy while leveraging cloud technology.
Right, that's a great point, Alan. See, transparently builds trust, right? And trust is essential for adoption of cloud technologies. If people feel secure in how their data is handled, they're more likely to embrace these innovations.
Right, very well said, Vishnu. A great point to move on. And as we move forward, we must continue to engage in these conversations. The positive aspect of project like Nimbus and Sirius can act as set a precedent for future initiatives. By focusing on ethical practices and privacy, we can create a safer and more secure cloud environment for everyone in this world.
Well said, Rahul. It's a collective effort, and I'm optimistic about the future. With the right frameworks in place, we can harness the power of these projects to enhance security while respecting individual rights.
Spot on, guys. So, cheers to innovation, collaboration, and the commitment to ethical practices in the cloud. Together, we can ensure that these powerful tools are used for the greater good. Tech for good, that's one of my areas of focus.
Rosa, that let's continue to advocate for a future where technology serves humanity, protecting privacy and enhancing security in equal measures. Right, Vishnu and Alan?
Yep, yeah. I think great topic. So as we wrap up our discussion today, it's clear that while projects like Nimbus and Sirius hold great promise for enhancing security capabilities, deterrence, and posture, we must remain vigilant about their ethical implications. I encourage all of our listeners to become more cloud savvy and informed about the technological capabilities being pursued by our administration. Your privacy may depend on it. Thank you, everyone, for joining in today. Stay sharp and stay safe. Adios.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.